Okay, I'm with Ankur Agarwal, my sponsor from India in Maps. He's today in KL here. We're having a chat here. So why not you just listen to what he got to say, the possibility of Maps. Okay, I'll record his video. Yeah, hold on. I don't know where. Okay, Ankur, I have a word.
All right. Hey friends, Ankur Agarwal here from Delhi, India. Hanging out in KL right now with Mr. Azizan. He's a very good friend of mine for the last couple of years. And I recommended him to join Maps and he started immediately. And I can see now he's building a very good team. Okay, so he asked me a few questions and I thought why not shoot a video so that all of you can get the same answers. First of all, he was asking me what's my belief level in Maps. I will say 100%. I've not seen a business model like this in the last 10 years I have been involved in the network marketing industry, wherein everybody makes money, and it's so logical. You see, online advertising is a $1 billion industry right now, and we are in a phase where Google and Facebook were 5-10 years back, like in the starting stages. Then that's where Maps is. In fact, I was reading Maps corporate blog today, and Maps website is averaging about 2 million views a day right now. That's a lot of traffic. So I won't be surprised if it becomes a $1 billion company in the next couple of years and a multi-billion dollar company in the next 5 or 10 years. And for all of us who are positioned right now in the early stages, this is a time, guys. Make one single goal, okay? Your goal should be to hit 100 packs. If you are at 100 packs, hit 300 credit packs, which is Sapphire. 100 packs is Elite. Once you're at 300 credit packs, try to go for Ruby, which is 900 packs. And from there, 1200 credit packs. In fact, myself right now, I am at 1150 credit packs. In the next 2 or 3 days maximum, I'll be at 1200 credit packs Diamond. I have a few other members, including Mr. Azizan, going Diamond very shortly. And yeah, all of us are making money. I'm already close to now $30,000 a month in Maps, literally doing nothing, pure passive money. And my sponsor, Simon Stepsis, is the #1 earner in Maps worldwide. He's making almost $200,000 a month. So I love this business. I feel Malaysia has a strong potential, whole Malaysia, Singapore, and this whole Southeast Asia zone. And the business is rock solid, strong, great concept, and great returns, but safe returns, nothing risky. And yeah, I think we have a secure future with Maps. Let's go ahead and pick.
Confidence level about how long Maps can last?
Okay, I always like to, because I get this question all the time, Ankur, what's your guarantee? How long Maps will last and all? So my first reply is, my friend, there is no guarantee for any business in life. In fact, there is no guarantee of whether we will live tomorrow or not, right? We can go, there was an earthquake in Nepal 2 days back, I don't know, 10,000 people died and all. So there's no guarantee for anything in life, but then yes, based on my experience, based on the way Maps business model works, 5% return a month and so many other ways to make money for the corporate, I will not be surprised if they last for another 10 years also, or maybe more. So that's my prediction. Easy. So that's about it, guys. Let's rock and make a big team. See you on top.
Thank you, Agarwal. So I hope this message will excite everyone. So let's do it. Bye.